Wagwan massive, master blessed love and welcome to the channel. You see, today we're there in the kitchen and we're going to hold a reasoning while we are spice up a thing. You see? Yeah man, so we hope everybody are do well. Yeah, and we hope everybody in the best of themselves, and you understand? A whole heap of things we see are going in the media space and we're still on. You understand the levels? We are going to hold a little reasoning seeing we while we are spice on this whole VYBZ KARTEL thing seeing we because I mean we see people still talk about it and me not tell no lie. Some of the things that when me hear people say it kinda laughable still. Yeah. And we kinda get tribalistic in the thing. Like people deal with the thing in our way now with spot. It's either you're pro cartel or you're anti cartel. See? And the thing just get in one because where we spot, you understand, it just distort the whole conversation. Because people are get too much up in their feelings now. And people get distracted from the real truth of the matter, the real problem of the matter. See? And my thing is, the problem, it come down to the system. Because we have to be frank, you know. You see, the courthouse or the court system, I remember in a court, remember what play upon a court. You talk about tennis and you have two players with two rackets and them put the ball in each other court. See? So we have to just look on the thing for what it is. You see, the courthouse is not about truth or lie or justice or injustice. Because as them said, balance. See? It's not about what you know. It's what you can prove. See? So enough cases where people guilty, them got court and based on their conversation and their argument and what they can prove, and then prove that to the court and then walk free. See? So it's not really about so much what you know, as much as what you can prove. You understand? So you hear them talk about the burden of proof, and you understand them kind of things there. And them talk about things like without a shadow of a doubt and them kind of little things there. So any kind of doubt, the inner no kind of way where people can reason it, any kind of reasonable doubt there in a no kind of situation in them things there, it go come under scrutiny. You understand? Because I just saw the court system work. See? So what we have to look on? We have to look on how them laws, when these laws what we govern by. Who create them laws and how them laws are come about. See? Because them laws are them written by the people for the people. You know? See? And if you listen, you will hear them people talk about constitutional reform and them kind of things. Is it? Basically, them things that them talk about. Because enough of the things enough of the laws them will exist. Over time, then tweak some of the clause within the law them. See? So them relax on certain things. But the law still exists in the book. But them just tweak certain of the little clause and you understand them free up certain little things. But them laws they were written to protect the status quo. See? And that are the frank truth of the matter. And when them laws were written, they were written in a one way where them leave loophole in the system to protect these people in the ruling class. See? So these little loopholes were them set in the system where it was set so them can take advantage of it. It reached to which part cartel use our cartel defense use one of the loophole them in the system. See? And we have to go be straightforward and frank and honest with yourself. See? Because look now, what we are talking about is somebody being prosecuted, see, and somebody defend themselves. See? So watch you now. As we have said, the burden of proof upon the prosecution. So the prosecutors them now have to make sure so them have one airtight case against the youth to convict him. See? However, the loophole what exists, somebody use the loophole. We don't know for a fact how it actually work out, because we can't point fingers and say really definitively cartel them orchestrate it. But it would have looked that way there. You understand the levels? So we the look on this thing in a objective level. We start take away all of the dislike or the likes what we have towards cartel and look upon it as a person. Put yourself in a situation where your back is against the wall, but you can defend yourself by this means. Would you take that avenue to defend yourself? See? So now we are talking about take away all of them things from the individuals now. Because all we are doing is just play blame game, and we end up a blame cartel, we end up a blame the prosecutors, in this case, Paula Llewellyn. You understand? So we end up a blame them people and hate each other and hate them people. But them people just do their job. Them only do what they are paid for. So the prosecutor, them have a job to carry out. Them have certain things to deal with. Them have a system for your poll. So them do whatever them have to do. This youth find himself in a situation where him back against the wall now. He need a way out, and him defend himself out of the situation where he find himself in. Now the system come under question. See? How comes them loophole there in our system where we reach here now? You understand? So all of this talk and this bicker and this blame and this take that side there, take that side there. We have missed the whole thing we start. We are talking about how this thing are going to reform. The system here, what exists. So this thing here, it not happen again. How we go come from this? Because watch you now, if cartel for whatever technicality beat the system here and him walk free. You see one time the justice system pay attention to all of that. Them go tighten up all of them loophole there. So changes go come. See? And within them changes there, how the people them go have a say in how them changes they come about. Because the politician them will represent the people them in the parliament. You know. If one law fi pass, what go work against their party, them go stand up against it. So it come down to which part now the people them need proper representation to get certain things passed in the system. So the whole argument of constitutional reform is important. See? And people now have to start to ask the government or start to prepare to ask the government for certain kind of referendum. You understand? So the people them get more say in how the laws them pass and enact in the country. You understand? Because them want to make it look like I say we have the people them have the power and people them have the say. But not go so because the politician them work for the favor of the party. And the supporter them now go want certain things for come in place if they know say them party are gonna lose certain kind of power. You understand the levels? So beyond this, all of this bickering about who this and who that, or who do this and who do that, what make this a youth end up in a situation when they and all of them blame game the what we are playing. We have to look on the bigger picture and the broader picture as how we go move forward and get these laws to change, because these laws them when built to protect the status quo, to protect a small elite people in a society. Over time, as me say, them tweak the thing and incorporate the laws, make it get broader, which part it can cover more people and more things and them kind of sitting there. But we have to start to ask some serious questions like, who really the system I work for? You understand? And is the system working in benefit of the entire Jamaican mass? As me say in my previous video, you have a set of people in Jamaica where they get proper representation. And them kind of things that I talk about. I talk about the political representation. Because guess what? You see the two political parties, them start out of two union. A workers union who when they defend the workers on the plantation, and then when they deal with a trade union who when they deal with the merchants, the landowner and people who when they deal with business and trade and them kind of things. See? So out of them two union there, we get them two parties. See? And the policies them not change that much over, you understand, all of these years. So them focus mainly on these two set of people. You understand? Because of these people drive the economy. And the party them just represent the administrator over the economy. And that's the most important thing to these people. You understand? So people on the whole mass level, the people them in the garrison, the people them in the rural area, the people them in all over the place want them proper representation, want a system where really represent the people, and the laws reflect on what the people them want and what how the people them think and what the people them see, and people must get more involved in creating these laws and them kind of things. See, so we don't have this whole thing I go over and over again, and we have to go a foreign country, go ask foreign leaders to solve few problem, and then we have each other a quarrel and a blame each other and a point out fingers upon each other and a cuss each other and a hate each other, while the system just did it and just repeat itself and cause all of this kind of madness here in a society. So people, how we see it now? We can't play like I said, we ignorant of the fact. See? Say these loopholes them create, and whatever name or whatever label we want to give the loophole them, whether we want to call them, when we are playing domino, we say then cool the game. You understand? When time, you understand the levels, but all of them little things here, they in the system, and it will create to protect one certain set of people. You understand? That's why it costs so much money to get them kind of defense here. You see it? Because VYBZ Kartel situation no unique to him. You have whole heap of other youth who find themselves in the same situation as VYBZ Kartel. See? But because them not have the financial, you understand, status or security for exhaust all of the avenues for reach this part, them get the kind of justice where VYBZ Kartel I try to get. See? So it's not about them individual ones and ones, man. The bigger picture is about the system what exists. You understand? And the system what exists is that it may exist to protect the ordinary man or man in a street. See? The original plan of it are that, as me say, them tweak the whole clause and them kind of things. There are whole heap of different clause in the laws get tweak and them kind of sitting there. Some laws exist in the book same way too, where the police them no bother enforce them things the same way too, cause them understand the whole thing same way. So, and like I say, we are blame nobody or you understand the levels. Because when we are looking at the thing in just spirit black people in black people pitney control the police force, or black people pitney sit down at the seat of the offices where the system whole, you see it. So once them sit down in them office there, once the job come in upon them desk, things what they go have to execute, and then job what them have to do, and it not take no kind of personal thing. Even though amongst themselves, you understand, amongst them clique and them elite circles, they use them personal feelings and them whatever, whether to fight against them one another or to help one another. See? But we want more inclusion in terms of the wider masses. You understand? Where the people have more say in the laws them where pass and the laws them where exist, and you understand how we can govern ourselves. And the things them what we want to be part of our society. And the things then what we don't want to be a part of the society, we need to have more say in it. And more say in the decision making thing. You see it? And not just vote and election time we just jump for our favorite politician them and jump for our favorite party and we go vote because that I want serious part of the problem too. Is it? Because the party them a work for the system and the system is controlled by foreign people. See? So them people them they write the laws and the rules for protect us. It won't just right for protect the elite. You understand? So Massive wants to give thanks to the moment and give thanks to the reason. You see it, and hope say one of them can find some sense in what we are dealing with and the things them what we are talking. You understand the levels? Yeah, man. So go and take care of themselves, go and take care of them family until the next video. So click the subscribe button, click the like button if you like the video, and you can share it with a friend. See you in blessed love, Rastafari.